Welcome to Rome Tips. If you're enjoying this content, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview can be found in the description below. This video shares my personal experience with TextCortex. TextCortex is an intriguing AI writing tool designed to streamline and enhance your content creation process. This platform offers a variety of features, promising to assist with everything from crafting compelling marketing copy to generating blog posts and even crafting emails. My own experience with TextCortex has been quite positive. It's a versatile tool that can genuinely boost productivity. A notable aspect of TextCortex is its extensive template library, offering a wide range of pre-designed frameworks for various writing tasks. Whether you're looking to create engaging social media captions or compelling product descriptions, you'll likely find a template to suit your needs. This feature is particularly useful for overcoming writer's block and quickly generating ideas. It can also help maintain a consistent brand voice across different platforms. Beyond templates, TextCortex also offers paraphrasing and rewriting capabilities. This can be invaluable for refining existing content or adapting it for different audiences. In my use, I found this feature particularly effective for rephrasing sentences to improve clarity and conciseness. It can also be helpful for generating variations of copy for A/B testing in marketing campaigns. Furthermore, TextCortex integrates with various platforms, further streamlining your workflow. This seamless integration allows you to access its features directly within applications you already use, minimizing disruptions and maximizing efficiency. This integration is a real time saver, eliminating the need to constantly switch between applications. In my experience, TextCortex proves to be a powerful tool for content creators seeking to enhance their productivity and improve the quality of their writing. Its comprehensive features, from the extensive template library to the powerful paraphrasing capabilities, offer a valuable asset for anyone involved in content creation. If you're looking to boost your writing output and streamline your workflow, I highly recommend exploring what TextCortex has to offer. Remember to check out the links in the description for more information.